Our state is one of the fastest growing economies in the India and became one of the hottest investment destination among the various investment options in the fast growing emerging economies. The state is ranked second in the country in attracting the investments. In a World Bank report, Hyderabad is ranked second essentially accessible city in India for doing business. The Federation of Andhra Pradesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry, an apex body representing the interests of the industry, trade and commerce in the state of Andhra Pradesh since 1917 and would be completing 100 years in the next 4 years. FAPSI has got membership of more than 3,000 with about 150 associate chambers of commerce having indirect membership of about 25,000. Lesotho has a unique geographical location. It is entirely surrounded by South Africa. Globally, Lesotho stands 79 at the rank of 185 economies on the ease of starting a business. Lesotho is having a dependent on South Africa for its imports and the United States for its textile exports. The economy of Lesotho is based on agriculture, livestock, manufacturing, mining, and depends heavily on inflows of workers, remittance, receipts from the Southern Africa Custom Union. I am sure this meeting will give an opportunity to the businessman to know the development taken place in Kingdom of Lesotho and the scope of establishing business cooperation, joint ventures, technology import, and making an investment therein. I would like to place here the few facts, because if you see the world map, the south is in V shape, whether it is America, whether it is Africa, and we have the similarities between the Lesotho and India that we are also forming in the V shape. In 1850, two countries fought. It was Portuguese and Germany, Portuguese and UK, sorry. And in 1888, it was declared UK was a leader in the world. Whereas again in 1900, two countries fought in the world. One was UK, another was Germany. And in 1941, it was declared that UK was a leader in the world. Now in 1950, two countries were fought. One was USA, another was Russia. And in 1981, it was declared USA was a leader in the world. Now from 2000, India and China is fighting. And by 2022, it will be declared that India is a leader in the world. Nobody can stop us. So we look forward that, both the countries, we can exchange best whatever our resources are there, and we can, stabilize the countries, because by next century, you will see that India is a leader in the world. With this, I am confident that your visit to Andhra Pradesh and presence of Honorable Consul at Hyderabad will further expand the economic ties between our two states. Thank you.